What if I told you that the way most people try to build wealth is completely backwards? They save money. They cut expenses. They work harder. And after 30 years, they have just enough to survive retirement if they are lucky. And in this video, I'm going to show you 5 wealth-building methods that most people have never even heard of. All proven, all beginner-friendly, all possible with little to no money. And before we get into it, if you want weekly money tips that schools never taught you, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon right now. You don't want to miss what's coming next. Stay till method number 4, because that one alone has created more millionaires in the last 5 years than any other strategy on this list. Here is the one thing you need to understand before we start. Wealth is not built by earning more. Wealth is built by making your money work harder than you do. Assets that work for you while you sleep. Let's get into it. Way number 1, building a digital product empire. A digital product costs $0 to create, $0 to store, $0 to ship, and it can be sold an infinite number of times. You create something once, a budget template, a resume guide, a social media calendar, and every single time someone buys it, you make money. While you sleep, while you eat, while you're on vacation. The formula is simple. Think of one thing you know that others don't. Package it into a PDF or template. Upload it to Gumroad or Etsy, both free. Price it between $7 and $29. Promote it once. Let it sell forever. One product, one upload, infinite sales. Way number 2, building a faceless YouTube channel. No camera, no face. No personal brand. Just a topic, a script, a free AI voiceover and stock footage. Most channels give up before 20 videos. The algorithm rewards consistency above everything. Post one video every week for 6 months, and you will start seeing money come in. Finance channels earn $6 to $15 per 1,000 views. Entertainment channels earn $1 to $2. Same views, 10 times more money. Just by being in the right niche. Write script with Claude or ChatGPT. Generate voiceover with sound tools free. Get footage from Pexels free. Edit in CapCut in 30 minutes. Upload, repeat. After 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, YouTube starts paying you. And once it starts, it never stops. Way number 3, building a Micro SaaS tool. Before you think this is too technical, hear me out. In 2026, you do not need to know how to code. A Micro SaaS is a tiny tool that solves one specific problem. A tool that resizes images automatically. A tool that generates invoices for freelancers. A tool that tracks habits and sends reminders. People pay subscriptions for these, monthly, forever. 200 users paying $10 per month is $2,000 every single month on autopilot. Tools like Bubble and Glide let you build software without writing one line of code. Find a frustrating problem. Build a simple tool. Charge $5 to $15 per month. That is a Micro SaaS. Way number 4, and this is the one that will surprise you, buying and selling online businesses. Online businesses are bought and sold every day for as little as $500 to $5,000. Someone builds a website making $300 per month. Gets bored. Listed on Flipper. You buy it for $7,000. Add content. Improve SEO. Now it makes $600 per month. You sell it for $15,000 to $18,000. Double your money in 12 months. From a website. You are not starting from zero. You are buying something that already works and making it better. This is how regular people with zero tech background are quietly building 6-figure net worths online. Way number 5, selling AI automation services to small businesses. Restaurants, salons, clinics, online shops. They all desperately need automation, but have no idea how to do it. They need chatbots, automated emails, auto-generated social media content. YouLearnMake.com and Zapier, both free to learn on YouTube in 2 weeks. Charge $300 to $1,500 to set up automations once. Or charge $100 to $300 per month to manage them. Get 1 client. Get a testimonial. Get 5 clients. Now you have $500 to $1,500 coming in every month from businesses that depend on you. AI is not taking your job. AI is creating a brand new service industry. And the people who start now, in 2026, are going to build serious wealth over the next 5 years. So let's recap. 5 ways to build real wealth right now. 1. Digital products. Create once. Sell forever. 2. Faceless YouTube channel. Get paid monthly by ad revenue. 3. Micro SaaS tool. Charge subscriptions forever. 4. Buy and flip online businesses. Turn $500 into $15,000. 5. Sell AI automation services to businesses that need them desperately. No degree required. No startup capital. All working right now. Which one are you starting with? Drop it in the comments. And if this video helped you, hit that like button and subscribe. I drop money strategies every single week that most people will never hear about. See you in the next one.